Kev G, weather overview. We're making a dent in this abnormally dry pattern that's been going on from late spring through the summertime. In fact, we've gotten drenching showers and thunderstorms on a lot of days for the first 12 to 15 days here of official summer 2020. So it'll be interesting to see how they update the drought monitor in the coming update for tomorrow. So, especially north and west of town, where they've gotten some good storms. Today was no exception. Monday was quite a show, especially across New York City points north and west. Not so much towards the coast. I could see it being abnormally dry still for areas of Long Island and portions of northeast New Jersey. So we'll monitor the drought monitor. Okay, now we've got rain coming up for Friday. This is only through day 3. This is only through Saturday. So normally I show you the 7-day, but this is the day 1 through 3. And Weather Prediction Center has us in a 1 to 2 inch area of rain. And I think that's pretty reasonable. I think that we'll get a soaker of a day on Friday with moderate to occasionally heavy rain at times. I think the heaviest rain stays west of the tri-state. Despite the fact that we will get a soaking rain, I think amounts will be more beneficial for areas west of the Hudson River, eastern Pennsylvania, kind of west of I-95. So we'll take a look at it in a second. But today's shenanigans off the Penn State eWall site, we had loads of action earlier north and west of the city. It really blew up north and west of town with these daytime thunderstorms, and then petered out as they moved into the coastal plain. And you can see on the bottom of your screen, that's where the gathering moisture is for the system for Friday. So it's already trying to get its act together. Now, this may get a name from the National Hurricane Center, or it may be classified as a subtropical or tropical storm, but it doesn't really change our weather. Our weather is going to be much the same. You're not going to really notice a difference. Here we are for Thursday, a quiet day tomorrow, just hot and humid as we get back into some full sun. But then Friday, we start to see rain develop from south to north, probably between 7 and 10 a.m. And the rain could be heavy at times throughout the day, kind of a washout. Rarely do you get a washout in summer, but this may be one of those days. But I think the bulk of the rain stays west of the city. I think that the tri-state area will get 1 to 2 inches of rain. But areas along the Delaware River up into the mid-Hudson Valley, west of the Hudson River, they could see amounts over 2 inches. So while it is going to be a beneficial rain, it's not going to be a truly soaking rain in the sense that areas to the west may see double the amount of what we see. Now, over the weekend, I think there's going to be a daily threat for showers and thunderstorms. Unfortunately, the model was not going to do a good job with it, but the upper air pattern supports daily chances Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. In fact, when we roll towards Monday, the model wants to create a pretty widespread area of showers and thunderstorms that's going to move west to east, and that may be a severe weather maker for Monday. So that's going to be our next real widespread opportunity for any precipitation Monday, although over the weekend anybody could see a pop-up shower or thunderstorm in the afternoon. So that's the overall theme, summertime in the city, ladies and gentlemen. For Thursday, hot and humid, highs near 90. Now Friday, this is all going to be dependent on clouds. The Weather Service has us in the mid and upper 80s. We're going to be fighting a lot of cloud cover. I could see areas, especially along the coast, with the onshore flow not getting above 80 on Friday. But then we get to some more decent amounts of sun on Saturday with highs approaching 90 and humid. So majority of the weekend is hot and humid with these daytime thunderstorms popping up. And then we get into Monday and we got to watch out for that severe weather threat in the afternoon. So an active pattern for the majority of the weekend with daily chances for rain, starting on Friday, especially with the more widespread activity Friday. And then we'll quiet it down, I think, with daily chances of rain once we get past next Monday.